Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Darren, Tang, professional bowler on the PBA Tour and Storm staffer, and we bring to you another Pro V-Am, a challenge where an amateur will come, and if they win, they get a bowling ball of choice or a lesson from me. But today's challenger, I believe, is bowling us straight up. You want to tell us a piece about yourself before we get started?
Well, I work at South Point. I'm a former first-team All-American at UNLV, and I average about 230, 240 at leagues, so I'm just gonna go straight up today.
And I think we are bowling on the house pattern, so I'll have my hands full. Good luck.
You too.
You want to go first or second?
I'll let you start today.
Okay. You know what? We will have the endless 10 frame as usual, because it makes things more exciting. I'm going first. Yeah, since I'm on a one bagger, if one of us bowls 300, moving forward, we will give away 10 bowling balls to you guys. All you gotta do is like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. And join the Discord. That's where we reach out to you to win your ball. Link in the description below! The 10 balls are still alive. We should give 12 balls away, one for every strike.
Certainly wouldn't mind that.
If it happens, stay tuned. We're gonna drop a video called How to Bowl 300. That was scary. I'm out here working on my footwork at the same time. I feel like I never bowl these challenges where I'm like 100% locked in, because I'm always thinking about halfway practicing while I'm doing these challenges. Play like a rug. Oh my God.
Wow.
I'd say you got that left side shim, but kind of hooked. You know who one of my favorite tour players is? Just to like listen to him talk and see the things he does? DJ Archer. My man's the coolest dude on tour. Everything he does is just, it's fantastic. I'm a DJ Archer fan. Help. No. Well, it's up to Dobbs. I'm out. Down and in. Oh, you watch this guy, the way he plays the lanes and how he throws and how jelly he is? You best believe the man averages 240 in league. I should probably square up a little bit. Square up and be a little bit firmer. That was not exactly the play. Ooh. See, maybe I gotta be jelly and I gotta play straight. It hooked very quick and I only moved 2 back to the right. Uh-oh. You know, the other day I missed 7 spares to the left, and I thought I missed to the left on that shot. I don't know what happened. Monday night was just an anomaly. Here. Oh, I'm back.
I saw that one coming.
I'm back. No 12 bowling balls this time. Maybe next time, though. Well, we can still give away bowling balls.
Touch it.
Ooh.
Okay.
I want to play straighter. I'm gonna go to a different ball. I'm gonna try my maximum hardest. The man's got the jelly. It may look a little unorthodox, but he's got the right angles, the right lines. That ball's so good. I like it when you can hear the ball roll over the labels. It makes that.
That's when you know it's good off your hand.
That's the coolest thing ever. The gold label does that really well because it has extra labels. All right, 13 pin match through the halfway points. And there's another one.
Get up.
Bang.
Wow.
I need some help. Do we lock in here? Not terrible. That was actually really good. More positive words, more positive words. Not terrible, that was great. That was the best shot I've thrown today. It ended up being a really good result.
All right, guys, I want to tell you real quick about our brand new merch on dynastybowl.com. It's not your typical bowling merch. You can get athletic bowling wear kind of wherever you want. We want to come out with bowling streetwear. We've got jackets, oversized tees, hoodies, sweats, and an important thing to note is that these are oversized heavyweight clothes. In all the pictures that you see on screen, I'm wearing only size small, but it fits like a large, extra large. So go to dynastybowl.com. You can get 15% off any order over $60 and free shipping on any order over $99. So head to the link below, check it out. You're gonna love it, I promise.
But the good ones don't always strike, remember that. Oh, I'm back. A little bit of transition, maybe?
A little fast.
What are we at? That's what, 6 frames, 12 shots. We're about 70 shots in on this lane. That's a good amount. You know, if you're bowling 4-man teams, that's almost 2 games. You can hook it more too. Look at that, that's versatility. Certainly one of the better challengers we've had to take the lead in the match. I don't even think I'm staying in the right spot. I think I was a little further right. Scared me too, but I stood up there, I was like, Yeah, this doesn't look right. I don't think I'm staying in the right spot. Don't forget, you have the endless 10th frame, so if you're down the match, you can still win no matter what.
Can't begin to tell you how many times I got away with that shot in the league.
That was weird. It sounded really muffled. When it hit the pins, it wasn't as loud as I thought it was gonna be. Sometimes the thumb hole hits the pin and it makes a really hollow sound. That's what happens there, I think. You know what, I'm just gonna move. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Brain not functioning. All aim, no brain. What a ball change.
You're making me want to resurface my tour dynamics.
Yeah, buddy. Everyone always asks, what's your favorite ball? That one might be my favorite ball right now. I don't like having favorites, but I'm gonna give the people what they want. My favorite ball is the Tour Dynamics.
I can see why.
Yeah. Shim. Ooh.
Here. Picked up really nice.
All right, you're gonna need that endless 10th, I think. You're not ready for these hands. Cleanliness through 8. Well, stats update, we got some max scores. 266 for yours truly and 239 for Mr. Matt Dobbs. That one was real clean off my hand, like. I think it needed to be a little dirtier. Ooh. I'm gonna focus on the bright spots though. At least it's better on Wednesdays.
Oh, I hit it.
Oh.
Ooh, gotta keep it interesting.
Ooh, the line's burning up a little bit. All right, since Matt mentioned he averaged 230 to 240 in league, I wanna know what you average. Let us know in the comments. See what the field average of YouTube is looking like. We need a double to lock them out or to induce the endless 10th frame.
There's one.
Why did that read so early? It's at 500 grid. Is this a good league ball? It is for me, or at least here at Gold Coast. What was that?
A dagger.
Don't forget the endless 10th frame. I still need 5 to lock them out. Took about 12 times. All right, so I have punched out in the 10th frame for 245, back at ball 239, but we are going to give him the endless 10th frame. He does have to strike on the last shot in the game. Once he does that, he's allowed to throw more strikes until he catches up to my score or misses. He gets 10 per strike. If he doesn't strike, it's nothing. Matt needs all 3 here for 239 and then 1 additional strike. Good luck.
It's gotta get a lot.
Oh.
All right, bet is made.
He needs 3 more for the W.
Oh, geez.
Got a lay. And it does. If you win, are you choosing the ball or the lesson?
I'd be choosing the ball.
He doesn't need lessons. He averaged 240 in league. What ball would you get?
The blackout.
The blackout?
Yeah.
I got him thinking about what he's gonna win before he even wins. So we'll see if he can pull it off. Oh!
Maybe.
Here we go, endless 10th frame. So our final but not final scores, 245, 239, must strike. You only get 10 per strike. If he gets 9, it's nothing. The endless 10th frame is all about strikes. Strike or nothing. For the win. I thought that was a flat 10 for sure.
I thought so too.
All right, guys, that is our first ever victor using the endless 10th frame. We've given it to a bunch of other people and they haven't been able to convert. Dobbs has won. Like he said, you guys heard, First 100 Blackout will be coming your way. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Matt Dobbs is the champion here on the channel. If you guys want to win some bowling balls, join the Discord. We'll find you there.